Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started, then tap OK, click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, click OK again, tap on Input Options, click on LED keyboard one more time, and now pick one of the options that will pop up on your screen. Then choose theme that you like the best, for example that one, tap on it, close the nut, and select Get Theme. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!